Aloha from the Hawaii Health Information Exchange. In this video tutorial, we will introduce you to the Notify platform. This video will cover how a subscription is created, site access, logging in, and viewing a patient encounter through the HealthENet Notify platform. The Notify tool is the latest addition to the HealthENet. Notify allows you to follow a cohort of your patients and receive real-time notifications about their care at other facilities. To give you some background, I'd like to briefly discuss how a Notify subscription is created. Your organization designated a point of contact who serves as the manager for your Notify subscriptions and community health record access. As part of the onboarding process, the POC for your office submitted a patient roster or cohort of patients along with a set of rules for building the subscription. It is important to note that HHIE can only provide the data submitted by our data sharing partners. Please also keep in mind the notifications you receive will include the data for the patients listed in your patient roster. If the patient is not listed in your patient roster, you will not see notifications for that patient. If you believe the patient roster should be updated or you have any questions or concerns about your subscription, please reach out to the point of contact for your office. Once the subscription is created, we add requested users to our system and provide the point of contact for your team with user login information and default passwords. A new user can log in to Notify by opening a browser session and navigating to notify.medicity.com. This address will route users to the Notify login screen. When logging in to Notify for the first time, a new user will use the CHR username and temporary default password provided. Although a username will remain the same across CHR and Notify, please keep in mind the unique password that you set for each platform will remain separate. Once a password is reset, a new user will be asked to view and agree to an end-user license agreement. Once accepted, the new user will be routed to the notification inbox. The notification inbox looks a lot like a standard message inbox. Here you will see a list of encounters for the patients specific to your subscription. You will not see patient data for any patient that isn't listed on the patient roster submitted by your point of contact. At the top of the inbox, you will see drop-down boxes and date fields. These can be used to filter on specific patients, encounters, or specified date ranges. Your notification list can be filtered by date received, source facility, event type, or patient name. You also have the option to group your patients so that your grouping selection appears at the top of your inbox screen. In addition to filtering and grouping, you can select the Export Worklist button to have your data exported to a CSV file and downloaded to your desktop. This file can be routed for internal use outside of the Notify platform. You can save the file or email it to a colleague. If you would like to view additional patient data within your Notify inbox, double-click on the patient by last name. A new screen will reveal additional information about this patient encounter. Once you double-click patient last name, you will see additional patient information, including admission, discharge, or transfer data. Scrolling down, you will find patient demographics, diagnosis, allergies, encounter dates and time, and insurance information. The information included will be dependent on the type of encounter and whether or not the information was submitted. Please keep in mind, if the data was not provided by the sender, we will not be able to provide it. You may want to gain additional insights by visiting the patient data made available in our community health record. Beyond reviewing the Notify event details, you can drill down further by reviewing encounter details for this patient in our community health record. This can be accomplished by clicking on the View CHR Patient Data button within Notify. This option will open a new browser session in CHR. Here you can access all of the encounter information we received for designated patient. Within CHR, you will be able to review profile, face sheets, labs, and other results, medications, etc. If you would like to learn more about the Community Health Record, please consider watching our short videos, Tutorial 1, Getting Started with the Notify Platform and Community Health Record, and Tutorial 2, Searching for Patients. Mahalo for watching. This concludes our tutorial on using the Notify platform. For additional information, training, or support, please contact us by email or phone, or visit us at www.hawaiihie.org.